The river come down. The river come down again.
Boom, hear that?
You hear it?
Yeah. Like it's still look too loud.
Yeah, it's on loud.
Yeah, man. Yeah, are you hearing over there?
And this is 45,000 a year
Graphics
from unknown.
Unknown from America.
So county says 45.
Come on.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Colors in there? Oh, wow. Mayo, give me some of your juice. I'm going to take everything from you. Alright guys, you know, I'm back in Trenchtown. You know, I got an earring here that was that I was mentioned. I'm going to give it to Colors. Go banana, you know, give it to Colors because Colors say needed one. Yeah, that's the key. Whoa, you know, just a come in.
No, I'm not going to for money, you know.
Yeah, I'm thinking you're going to work.
No, because we from the badge there, we done cast building, you know.
Oh.
Friday, you know. So we never get to go back, you know.
I'm thinking you're work.
Thanks for that breeze off, man. She done cast building this and thing, man. She breeze off from a couple days.
So, where you come from?
Yeah, man, Gina. So, say I come from?
Yeah.
There for the ground, man, I want to talk.
Are we in the dad to him again?
Yeah. You see me? Say I for the ground, I want to talk, man.
Ah, kiss.
I'm not going to for man, but then I'm going to wait. Tomorrow the same thing again, come tomorrow I say, I know where my deal is up, so.
Yeah.
Auntie Jean, them building the start yet. Yeah, the start yet. There, man, I hold it out.
Whoa, you know?
Yeah, man, genius, there, you know. They're on the ground, I go and hold it out, because you don't know me to touch the road to the south.
There's a bird paper ready?
Yeah, man. Everything up and running, you know. Everything, so I'm going to deal with everything and come back, you know.
So it's just the passport now?
Yeah, I just that left back on the thing, you know. If you just get the thing and you know. Yeah, man, hold for blessed. A long time I go up on Miami River. One day is one of those days, you know.
I think it that work, that's why I never call you, okay? If you there, you know there, I'm show it to you.
You put a cut up here, stand until she not cut it up.
That's not a deal.
You see our fans out there, you know. For man, the man here for live art.
Oh?
She watch you all the while. Sharon, Sakina, you know. Yeah, man.
What is it on TikTok?
Yeah, I'm going to do live, man.
Yeah, live. Hello.
She know you're good.
Well, Colors on TikTok. Tick.
Yeah,
but I'm not hearing nobody else speak.
Yeah, hear them, no?
No.
You have to go up look like.
Come on for the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, you have to go like right.
What? So boom, jackfruit for weeks. Yeah man, more the merry. So, alright. Are you? What go on? Cheers! Yeah. Let me say I would have hero. One hero. Cooler man. Thing good. Mash up the road.
Yeah.
Which is right.
Good, you know?
It is life.
If it's a problem.
How should I take out? So just, you want more jackfruit again? Just get jackfruit. Yeah. You want to try the juice?
No, not as yet.
You like that now?
You like it? Please. But you must try the punch though.
Yeah,
The jackfruit thing bad.
Him no want no.
You're gonna love it, man. Trust me.
Him no want no. Every time I do it, him want soda. Him want
Cola.
Him want Red Buster.
Yeah.
Because just try it, man.
That's right, man.
And you're gonna like, what?
I know, so we need to link you off the air.
Yeah. Esther, see, voila. Open this.
The accessories, it's saying.
Battery in there then. Yeah.
Oh, to clean it as well.
Alright, cool. Yeah.
Yes, you say it never rain here?
One coming, another one, that one.
Yeah.
No, so it's a light, it come with light.
No? I don't like that. I
The
like.
volume.
Just leave it turn up and come up.
Oh, the colors there. Where them go?
Oh, yes, the battery go.
Chocolate!
Put in one battery, put in the battery.
You come test it. So like how I want, that means that most powerful then.
And normally 1 year them going in.
I want yours?
Yeah, because even my passive care show it. I 1 year it in now. And you're the one who can hook up the iPhone. If you have iPhone, hook it up to your phone.
Colors.
What is going on right here?
What go on, man?
Evening, I'm here,
Evening, man. Evening.
Good evening.
They go buy a cereal.
Yeah, because honestly, you know, honestly, it's not saying we full of hype, you know. We're tired of the rice and the flour dumpling, you know.
Yeah.
You get what I'm
You
saying?
buy the cornflakes.
Yeah, so you get what I'm saying? Like in the night, you know, when we wake up, we just mix a little,
Yeah.
go back on the phone,
Yeah.
we fell asleep and we get up back. We mix some more, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, we don't go too goes for this whole heap of rice and flour, you know.
Just pay for the big glass cup.
Yeah, I think it's like 700 Jamaican dollars, you know.
The glass cup.
No, the cornflakes. This is a big glass cost, so this is around roughly $600, you know. So this is around $1,300.
Which one of your ears bad?
Both of the haze.
Both of the ears
Yeah,
bad?
both of them. Honestly, Kino, I think they you see the way the ears is very bad. I think they need to get syringe out. They
The
say.
doctor going to test your hearing.
Huh?
You need to go to the doctor and make them test you.
That's okay. So yeah, I think because tomorrow I'm supposed to go comprehensive, bring a prescription up there. So when I go there, I probably tell them the Kino. You see, some of the time like when me feel the hairs them scratching me.
Yeah.
It's like when I use all a matchstick. I feel like this matchstick a buck pan some.
Oh.
Yeah.
That buck pan something?
Yeah.
So you have so many years already going in there?
They say, I don't really know, you know, but what they say, the ears them need to get
Syringe,
out.
yeah.
So that is why I said, me not hear well. Because all along, Kino never know, you know. Yeah, when he came around there the other day and I was telling him, yeah, you know.
No, but no, you remember you always tell me anywhere.
Oh.
Because most of when I call you, I'm on colors, I right there, so.
Yeah, alright.
I like him, nah, respond.
Yeah, so, yeah, because even people call me all down a Moriners and like the girls them have to say no. Because like they were saying, the people were saying, all the colors feel we are asking for nothing.
Him nah answer.
Yeah, so like Bibi, boy, I feel love Bibi. Bibi and a couple more people always I tell them say no. Nah, here.
You ready?
Yeah, so that's why I see now people start believe me, Kino, say me not really hear for true, and I'm glad you realize. People were watching for your program, me there at the airport and they calling me to give me money.
Are you not hearing?
And they have to come and touch me and say, Colors, what's the matter with your ears?
Yeah.
So I was saying, man, I ain't hearing so wet. He was saying, yes, seems like something really wrong because I was down there yelling and then getting no response.
On the phone, man.
Oh no, the live like the Wi-Fi don't strong. So when me go back in me cottage, me pick her up.
Yeah.
So that's she named Dan. I met her on TikTok, you know.
Oh.
And she name-
Yeah, her name is Miss Dan.
Oh.
She was
She
defending
wife
me,
and
you know, when me tell her say the people must trying to bring me down. I was on this lady live and she was defending me. Even my gentleman came on your live and they were saying, the man I said, no man, you don't take back that. Me don't know if colours ever me up and I make the people them know say, yo, nothing with colours, even keen up, me ever hear.
Always grateful.
Yeah, colours always a big up people, you see me? So them people if you take back them talk the brethren. Yeah, you see me?
It's good.
So what I'm saying now, Kino, you'd have to go show me how for
Yeah,
you.
Esther, show him how I go on.
So
see
I have to
at the
hook
back.
it up with the phone, innit?
You have an iPhone? It hook up with iPhone. iPhone have the hearing aid part.
So that one hook up with iPhone too?
This is a Samsung
Once you
Galaxy.
have once you have an iPhone, it have the hearing aid part where you just hook it up with it. I said most of the people who have hearing problem don't have iPhone for hook up with them.
This is a Samsung Galaxy.
Colours, here's the rest of the stuff then.
Huh?
You can clean it as well too, you know. You have a little brush in there and thing, accessories then.
Okay.
So Esther, make him try it. See if it are working out.
Yeah, but I really so glad, bro.
Which
cause-
is better? Which ears you can with him there?
Well, I think you could put it in the right ears.
Right here.
You could get it in the right one, you know.
Show him how I go on with the volume and thing.
Alright.
Coach,
Oh my, look at this chocolate here.
but look here, talk about chocolate.
Oh.
You know, got it? The N.
Coach, just shine a little life on this. Make him see how I go on.
With the on the oat like
Oh,
on the end it on.
okay.
You can't hear screaming?
I think so. It's very loud. Wow.
Cause you have the volume thing right
Oh
here.
my gosh, this one seems like it's gonna work, innit?
Yeah, so you have 0 to 3.
So that's the volume right there, so. See?
Yeah, this is your volume.
Oh,
You can
oh my, okay.
And when you put in the battery, you say the positive, you say the negative, so you must know if you turn the battery.
Oh, you guys are
And
putting
you
the
gotta
battery.
buy, buy a battery till a week.
Wow, what's not no problem.
It's no problem.
So I have to go buy a battery like for this one.
No, whenever
So
I
get a
finish.
battery
Whenever
with
I
it.
finish.
Oh, okay,
So I guess it
okay.
turned out here.
Oh, so you get a battery with it. Okay. I see.
Right turn. Yeah, alright. Can like it up now, light come.
Light come, yeah.
Oh, no light wasn't here?
Yeah, that was.
It's yeah, here.
Yeah, come with the near. Yes, come with the near. With the near. I don't like with the wheel out there, so.
Yeah.
With the near right here, so.
You know, said this.
Yeah. With the near.
That's something I took
Oh.
this stuff here. No, just eat enough to
Oh,
the,
hold on.
Awesome.
And put that over there, so.
Too loud.
That too loud.
Too loud.
So, colours.
Yeah. Boom, hear that?
You hear it?
Yeah. Like it's still look too loud.
Yeah, it's on loud.
Yeah, man. Yeah, are you hearing over there? Lord.
No, I call him.
Oh, he's calling me.
I'm not
my
hearing him
gosh.
calling.
You hear nobody here. Alright, so you can go to call and say if you hear them.
Okay.
Okay, still hear me now?
Yes.
Yes. Still hear me now?
Colors, come here, come here. Come here, come here.
Yeah. So you can hear it, right?
It's in moonlight.
Yeah, sound better.
Yeah. I can't look how far I'm going. I'm still in that ear look a while.
I go up on the wall, so we normally go. Yeah. Yeah. Colors.
You might expect for
You might hear,
somebody
right.
else call you. We're not
Yeah.
expect.
Well, usually from there, so colors. Colors. My ear, cause usually, some from that far, you move
How much
the
you conflict?
Much cornflakes. Much cornflakes. Yeah. All right, it'll work. Cause guys, usually so far, colors wouldn't hear.
good one this morning.
Yeah. Guys, we got this earring here put down. I thought it was from the, but it's not from the sunrise. We got this ages. But we give Amigo so many earring here that it just don't work for him. You know? So colors of our body, so we can't let's give colors this one. What you say?
Look how far me go just now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
So the volume right there now is good?
I think it would have want to turn down a little bit.
Turn down?
Yeah, man.
If it's too loud?
Yeah, man, it's too loud, man.
How much it depend, Esther?
Two.
Two it depend colors.
So put pan one. Probably can't go
put it
pan
on
one.
one. It's loud for two extra, man.
Yeah. But you can take it off and try if you can and know if you do it now. Make him take it off and do it. Because remember you have to do it yourself.
Yeah. Oh.
And that's always shoot that part in the ear and then drop that over there, so you know. So you see where it depend now? You see
This.
No,
man, that's
okay,
the
so,
on and off.
yeah.
So when you're asleep, you take it out and lock it off. So the battery.
I suffer go fit for one?
No,
or
down.
Oh.
A 3 that you put it on.
You want the first cell.
A 0 that you go on, man.
The pan
So
one now.
so make sure one. So yes, so you even up. So that the pan one now.
Okay.
So you can put it in and see if that good.
Yes. Yeah, man. Right, volume.
Right, volume there.
Yeah. So who sent me this?
So I imagine we have this.
It was put down.
It was put down.
It was put down.
Ages.
Oh my, you're kidding me?
Yeah. Cause we get so many earring here. Come on.
Oh my gosh.
So just want to thank the, I don't know which extended family did send it, but we got it for a little while now.
Wow, and it's still clicking, isn't it?
Clicking.
Wow. So what a good thing, what a good thing it came around there with some donation to give it to me. You wouldn't know that I was
I know, man. I know say you couldn't hear from too far.
yeah, okay, I never know. Okay, yeah, Because honestly, some of the time, Kino, when you were here, you know, say people have a call me and say, colors, Kino. But what I'm saying is that I say one day more time Kino, but I feel say, he might call me and me not answer, but me never know him did know. So me nah, you see me, I know long pat. No, Maureen, at the first somebody did that tell me, say, go look about the ears.
Earring, yes.
Yeah.
Set a search.
And then it get bad, that spot and Gloria now, them did that tell me, say, go look
about it.
Stubborn, you know?
Into the back.
Oh, this is the box.
Yeah.
Oh, to drop this in?
Yeah.
Oh my.
You got another slot there.
Okay.
No, take it back.
So,
I don't know if your phone can connect with it, but I know say them phone
Put another slot there.
So, the earring need to go in at this?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have a one battery, you have a spare battery.
You have a spare battery.
You have a spare battery and you have and this are the rubber for go up on the
Yes, if I want the big one or the smaller one.
yeah, this are the
But you not there, Esther?
no sir.
Okay.
This are the rubber for go up on the pint.
Inexpensive, but you can buy it after.
So you do that.
Okay.
So you just thank the extended family.
But what I'm saying, you know whatever colors get, you know. I always thank extended family. I let me go live. Me was on my live today, and I was bigging up the extended family, and I was bigging up you also, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. I tell you so I depend somebody live and a man jumping at the box, and I make the people them know say yo colors ever big up Kino and yeah. So what you think, my father? No, try it with my phone. Oh, we have the phone.
Yeah. Alright guys.
Set up the Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I have a phone to see that.
No,
Alright guys, so colors can hear much better because trust me, I mean that struggle with hearing, but now you can hear much better now than before. So we give them, we give Amigo so much different hearing aid, but it never seems to work out or it's supposed to because of it really needs syringe because females been like that for years, you know. So at least with colors now it's not so bad, so it works well with colors. So we give thanks to our extended family, you know. We thank you so much for sending that, you know. So blessed love all the time, you know. Well, blessed blessed love, guys. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. And everything goes already, so blessed and we give thanks. Yeah, man. So, today we're going to head back up to Mama River, to give a donation to the Cranberry family, Also, I'm going to buy cat food for the cat, that they got as well too. So, that's the mission today, give out this donation for them to help to complete their project, So I got 2 donations that I'm going to hand to them as well too. And then we'll just move on from there. So remember, please put the thumbs up. And remember, if you are a part of the 41, well, it's 40%. So the subscription move a bit, So if you're a part of the 40% that's watching and haven't subscribed, please just subscribe, Subscribe if you're a part of the 40% that's watching and you don't subscribe. Why you're watching and you don't subscribe? Well, we appreciate the view, as I said before. We really appreciate your view, but subscribe if you can. If you don't know how to do it and you're watching it from your TV, your television, you can ask someone in your home how to subscribe on the TV, or you can subscribe from your phone, same way, and I think works out for the best, same way, So we're here in Trenchtown, so Road Chef day here, Road Chef now work today, boom day here, and we have 30 grams.
I will just touch it.
My phone.
Your phone?
So the gun now we are trying to catch signal. Oh, come now, you ready? Come. So the gun I'll climb the tree today. Come, Whoa. Yeah, look a bit, yeah. Road Chef not working today. Road Chef is here. Mama. Ugly dream. They got a call now.
Ne party with some
So come. Okay? Now you look for Cranberry them. But the car full up, so next time I'm bringing them.
Cranberry yesterday asked me for them number.
Cranberry was saying I too, and Cranberry said I, so I can tell her back I.
Hi.
So next time I'm bringing to go there, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright?
Them desperate.
Now out there. Yeah. I'm on board for myself. What I want a brown? Brown bone.
Like a wheat. Whole wheat.
Innocent.
You know, like the brown bread, the one like the bread, I wheat them. That's what it is.
Wheat bun.
Yeah, wheat.
That's right. Yeah, you see the wheat them, man. That's right. The wheat one. Cat food. That guy some here in the supermarket to buy some cat food. I go buy the dog, you know. Dog food as well too. Hello. Yeah, so I mean I want to buy us some cat food for the cat. You know, and since the dog food is finished, I'm gonna buy a bag as well too. Get a one bag. So my next dog can get some as well too. You know the dog was a bag. Yeah, so I'm gonna buy a bag for them.
They have the Purina sitting but the frisky.
These are the cat food. What? Prime fillets. Like this.
Yeah, the cat food are.
Yeah.
They have.
How much of them I can buy? Never bring
You
nothing.
buy the bag one or from with it, or you buy the mirror.
Now these
Buy
one.
3 get 1. So this is a buy 3 get 1. For 700. Single.
It'll be buy 3 get 1 that work out better. Buy them one. Yeah, that one will work out better. Take it down. Yeah.
So I buy.
How much?
Yeah, buy dog food too?
Yeah, man, buy a bag for them. So my dog can get to. Yeah.
So they may only give cat in a year and a day. Biscuit.
Nice, sir. She want food feed.
They no food this.
How much can that? 3, 4 is 12. So it's 21. Let me see how much.
What? Oh yeah, no. About 3,700.
Get another one then. So it's 3, so it's 10. Yeah. Get another one. Where is it? Get some cat food from Amina, and also I'm buying a bag of dog food for the dog. Plus my next dog needs to get some as well too. Because whenever I'm sending him back, so that means I know where I go on. So I have to bring clean food also. You know. What would I about the tune?
Cat up there too, boy, me.
Let me take the pint and go feed.
No, food with cat food, them I get, you know. Skis.
2 piece left. Why the rain? I'm gonna stop your chunks. Pure rain. Hold it.
No?
Huh?
Them not a time to pick it, 'cause them a work. We have to carry picker.
Sure.
Me that time still apple and pine.
Apple and pine.
Apple and pine. Still have cherry.
I hope the river not come down. Another thing too. I hope it not come down. When it come down, we have to go drive, go back all the way around.
Never forget that.
A pure rain on us.
What a something.
So heavy, yes.
Yeah.
Come down.
But we can't see the stone.
The river come down. Can't jump. Oh, we can't jump. Yes, the river come down. The river come down again. Yeah. Boom. Guys, the river come down. The river come down. So Esther. Oh yeah, come cross. Yeah, cross. Up the side, I have to go jump. Wow, chef. Wow, chef. You have to jump up the side, boom there. You have to jump up the side. Can't walk across. Boom. Then you just jump across up the side. Jump, mine, you know, jump. Yeah. Fine. Put the bag. You're not gonna jump?
I'm gonna try. But you have
to down low. One spring. Yeah. No, I'm just spring cross. Nothing you can't jump it. If you can't jump it, nobody force it.
never jump it in an hour. Yeah.
Could we now look? Yeah, jump it. Eh? Yeah, all this off. You got this off? Yeah. Alright guys, the river come down and because when I was leaving Trenchtown it wasn't raining. You know. But now we reach up here, the rain starts to fall and the river come down as well. Esther, you don't have to force it if you don't want to. You want the car key?
jump over saying about the muscle.
Oh. That's right.
Yeah?
So it. You just jump and spring. You can jump and spring. Well, where? Oh, can't come across here, son. He's the one. Tricky situation. Very tricky. Yeah, you can watch with this one. Guys, why the rain trick us, I'm not lie. The rain trick us. You know?
Oh, there's someone you can watch it.
Yeah, if him goat. So I feel like the rain stopped over that side. Yeah. At least the place get a little water.
Brownie. More cheese.
Wait. White nose. White nose. Oh, boom there.
Bright nose.
Watch that show. Yeah.
Watch our face.
Evening.
Yeah, man. Cranberry, see a cat food there.
It's not for Cranberry, it's Toko. Leave. Don't give it to her. It's not yours. Toko, come for the cat food. No.
It's a Tara cat.
Yeah, exactly.
That's how I'm
Tara
going to buy
said.
mackerel and green.
The cat there.
Toko, the cat out here, so.
Toko. Your cat. The Toko. Your cat.
The cat out here, so.
Toko there.
Who name Toko?
You remember Toko? That's a nana.
Oh, Nana, she name. Where cat there?
Leave her with the cat, because I went since you want the cat. Eh? I always say Toko with the cat, Tara.
Oh, she name Toko.
I never see you yet with the cat. Exactly.
Always saying Toko with the cat.
Tara.
Yeah, man, she have the cat for 2 man.
Yeah.
Tara, your cat.
The cat, they put him in the machine.
Eh?
She
say she have put him in the machine.
Tara, wash the cat
Mommy.
in the machine.
Another one, you got it. And there's something that one. Wait.
Dog, they know them
Right
food
nose.
coming on. Right nose.
Something.
Cat.
There's something that one.
Hey, listen, see the cat food? Or they don't
Down
put it on the ground, no, because the dog will eat it.
I know.
We are
Put now
feeding
play.
different.
Yeah, turn on the music up on the radio.
White nose alone
Turn on the radio.
Yeah.
One of them pig and say craving one white nose.
So Toko will get cat food for your...
Toko, where your cat name?
So like all the dog food, when I buy one bag of dog food. But I go take out some and give
Some of the dog.
Yeah. So you don't know so the dog down my bed.
Every time when we come.
Yeah, so I have to give you some. What?
So then tell Amina can tell me.
The next one there. The next two there.
Beer instead.
How much you get?
The next one. See next
Bring
one.
next two, bring next two come. Kenisha, bring next two come.
Talk out again.
All them now and come to tell Amina thanks.
Toko, loco.
Toko, come here, come hold. Toko, come hold. Come hold.
I want to take picture with your cat.
I don't learn from. What do you say? He must swim, the cat has swim and somebody take him out. He can end up bring him up.
Yeah.
I made the cat a follow.
The cat a swim?
Yeah. I do man save now say I see a cat a follow
You
everywhere.
see the cat I go rough.
Yeah. May I get one next week? Again. And that I make 3 cats.
Alright guys,
Too much cat.
so we got some cat food here from Amina.
Remember say
Come thank Amina. So guys, so we have a cat. We get some cat food from Amina. From the US, right?
I mean, I have a dog food.
Yeah.
Amina, thank you from the US and may God bless you.
Amelia, thank you for me.
Amina.
Thank you so much.
We Toko there, Toko.
Toko, you have a talk.
Come Toko.
And Tara have a talk.
Amina.
Amelia from the US.
Oh. What's Tara there?
Tara, come here. Thank you.
Your time, Tara. Come here.
Come here. I'll stop you so.
Come thank
I get shy of
cat food.
Yeah, so she going, you know.
Tara, come now.
Tara, so thank you. Come, Tara.
They might bring back the cat food if you not say
Come here,
thanks.
take back the cat food.
She don't care.
And last night she called you.
Yeah, and you called me last night.
But yeah, come.
You know what, I stop answer your call, you Miss Tara.
Yeah.
Because when you see me, you get shy.
Stop.
Esther, she name,
You did check out there's something for me?
Oh, you know, so you judge around up on the road.
Just now.
Cranberry.
And the rain from morning, the rain fall up here.
See you later, man. You know, I am here, thank you. No much.
Oh.
Amelia, thank you
Amina.
so much. Amelia, thank
Amina.
you. Amelia,
Yeah.
thank you so much for the dog food.
No, not dog food. Dog food, I mean by the dog food.
Kina by the dog.
I mean by the dog food for the
So
dog.
thank you, Kina, for the dog.
No, you don't have to thank me. It's
We
for
still
our
want to
dog.
say thanks.
Alright, say thanks.
Thank you, Kimo.
Kino.
Kino, thank you so much.
Food.
Yeah.
Toko,
So,
loco.
I like cat food, I got nice to that cat.
Yeah, one.
In Cranberry, you know, I'm not eating
I want something for show some.
dog
Where
food.
that?
Want me get a bag?
You can show some of the dog food tonight and bring up this so. So I have some donation as well to Ken.
Okay.
Yeah.
I get something for you, for the dog.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
What's the name of the cat? Toko.
Send them right now, food out.
Eh? Cat have name yet?
Up there, so.
Name Toko Loco. You can call it Loco.
Loco.
The cat name
Never
Loco.
tell him.
Wow. Tell him so.
Him never buy the jackfruit tree.
No, she had the jackfruit tree up there, so I tell her something. Look a mango tree up there.
I
Where?
don't know where there.
Mango tree up there, so I tell her, man.
Mango tree up here, sir?
No special that, man.
Yes, sir.
Stop. You know
So
what
when I have cat plate, when I put the cat food in
come
it.
show you. You see that white plate, so rinse it out and feed him pan it. And you see I have something where you give him now? Can't reach it. So I'm giving him a flat plate when you can eat it.
So charge you. Alright then hold on. So you say you go check out the thing, right?
Yeah.
But you want to do more, hold on, not go there, because you're done there already, because we have some
Papi
donation.
na go
Okay.
now.
Yeah.
Don't papi mo see no one with no one. the same, you know.
Can I say the 10 bucks a tile come to 30, right?
We want something like that.
Yeah. And the cement and railway. Then on paint, so. Somebody else was, that's why I said them the one check out the price and everything. Somebody else the one
Yeah,
help and do
too
that.
rain there, I come go down to do something different to all the rain. Rain there and from there, you know. And the river just come down to us from on the rain there.
Yeah.
The river just get dirty. Just get dirty.
Yeah, because I want to go see it and well.
Chocolate water.
Yeah, just I get chocolate. Like the rain just start up in the years.
It usually come down more than that?
River just dirty.
Oh, it does dirty?
Yeah.
Oh.
And the river come down here at about here, big stone a beat, you know that like what? River come down here and go down this here.
So it coming bigger than that already?
Yeah man, river come down crazy man.
Cover the rock them.
Cover alright. So when you up here, so I just water you look there. You're not seeing no stone down there. Even that big stone you see down a boomer.
Yeah.
When river come down,
Nah, see.
can't see.
Nah, see.
When you come down it daily as can, so a good while it not come down them way there. So when you come down it daily as soon.
Okay.
Bring around this school. You get the water.
Alright, Ken. Come go in some donation for help out. Alright. Who was these? You Nana. Nana. Are the cat me gonna sneeze?
Put it down now.
Them say none
You know, say move like dog.
The cat though?
Yeah, can you follow them? Anywhere them are going to follow them.
Yeah, him.
Yeah, we have one in boss, so look on the bottom of them.
Which one?
They see that?
Roy! Loco, you want to kill a cat? You loco?
Loco.
Passing bullet here.
I never put it. You never know?
No, I want to. I'm saying, look. Oh.
Excuse
Look
me.
like bullet beef.
That bullet room. I plate straight and I plate first. I'll mash it out.
No. When you're not eating, you're not.
Mash it up, ignorant.
Watch your dog them now.
Then you can't come in, huh?
So the cat talk how
Yeah. I guess I know if I win one food. You know, hug me up. You there?
some Chinese language a while ago.
Shine them one holding right now.
Yeah, true. This one must have to show that as long as I got a
See him bring it up back. The dog have it.
Why no?
We can't make white noise.
White nose.
Alright then, sir. Alright, so I have some donation.
I threw one for them.
Oh, and Liquor Man. You have something for Liquor Man too, you know. We have to go circle Liquor Man up in yard.
Yeah. I can't come down.
You could have got there if you want. I
Yeah.
would have called him.
Say you can't come down. Nah, them have come up there. That thing so.
You can't come in and call him.
No, from call him, she make them come.
And two of them get banned.
What is it love coming
I
here?
say one band too. You say son proud?
And you will get banned next. Alright, so.
Talk about your pussy.
What is
Belly
the
have a
S?
full.
This is Liquor Man. So, Liquor Man one.
You
Belly
talk
look like it full already. Man, still a chin.
Let's take up the rest and then you can put.
Up the sun to you later.
I'm going to eat it off now and drink some water.
Alright, so we have Cranberry. So, we have 7,500 here. 7,500 from Dwayne. From Washington. Yeah, so this is 7,500
Yeah,
here.
you have that one.
From Dwayne.
Dwayne, thank you so much and make your food basket never run dry.
Yeah, so
William, thank you so much.
I'm going to see him talk up.
So, Nana, thank Dwayne.
Dwayne, thank you so much.
Alright, so we have that. And we also have so this $15,000 from ND as well to from New York. Yeah, 15,000 from ND from New York.
ND from New York, thank you so much. And never make your food basket run dry.
What's your name?
ND.
ND. Thank you so much.
ND from New York, thank you so much.
Alright then. One Toko getting shy over there. Alright, I will also have unknown. As well to unknown from Florida. Because she don't want her name to be known, so she's unknown. And this is 45,000 here from unknown.
Unknown from
So
America.
county says 45.
Come on. Unknown from America, thank you so much.
From Florida.
From Florida, thank you so much. And never make your food basket run
Never
dry.
run dry. I know from New
From Florida.
From Florida, thank you so much. I make a food basket.
Kaya.
Unknown.
Unknown. Thank you so much.
I make a food basket.
Never end.
Unknown.
Unknown.
Ayun, Toko Loco.
We're gonna come back down, see there? Oh, the river sound something.
Alright, so we give thanks to unknown, from Florida, because you say you don't want your name to be known, so we give thanks to you as well too. And also Dwayne, big up yourself, because me going to use the African name we give me, but you said just say Dwayne, so me going to use it. So anyway, go there, so we give thanks, and also ND, we thank you as well too for the blessings to helping out.
Yeah man, ND man,
So Chargy, as I say, just buy where you can buy, try to get some support to buy where you can buy it so we can try to finish off this, as soon as possible. So just give me the full details, see me different so I can tell the person, just in case if you want help with something else. So we say 30,000 for the 10 box of ties. So
that's something like
Take
that.
up the food. When you done, take it up here.
Come on. You just make one link and make you get back the invoice.
Yeah,
just go down there and then I'll have to go 6:30.
Yeah. Because with that, we get that can buy some stuff already and everything, Because you're going to need tin set and all, so just keep buying where you can buy, you understand?
Yeah, man.
No, make him there.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Put him down. You just eat here?
After 5. Yeah.
6:30 lakh.
Yeah.
And me shake him, I go bring up the food there.
That's actually the cat, so.
Them not drink water?
Yeah.
And them own like,
When you
No, it go to do and drink water from us too.
So you said the birth
And
night?
them own.
Yeah, time you some belly already.
Don't shake him up now, you heard that?
I run up on the road.
Yeah. So, did you get the bag which was some of the dogs?
Gotta wear the bag. Yeah, use it back, guys.
No, blow off from here.
Here, see if we make it blue off.
You see, when I jump the river.
Jump cross, man, blow off some poof.
No, she tell you to put it in a bag.
No, man, I want it now.
Put on that. Mama give some.
Can't put in that to go get somebody.
Oh, Chris, I get it.
Look back.
That ever said that?
Ken, look at the back in the Ken.
Gotta make the bag.
Yeah, blow off. Rest of me jump over. But nothing.
He may penetrate the car because I'm never see.
Guys, pure rain. The rain trickles.
Come on, TV, let's see him. Come on, TV, just see him.
Yeah. What that?
Bucket.
Bucket full of stand and thing.
So you can't go on TV, just see him. You can't on TV.
Yeah?
See? Really fun.
Be away. Look how the dog them follow you, Kim. Watch out.
I'm going for them. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go feed my dog.
Yeah, you know.
Go down.
So late.
Yeah, so already. Especially the big one, though, so?
Yeah, that's the one right there, though. It's already. Just eat more four.
2 more there.
No, I didn't see that here. Ask him, Kim, who said the jackfruit here yesterday?
Yeah?
Who said the jackfruit yesterday?
Just say, are you?
Okay. I'm saying now, I have to do my father around. Are you in this schema? That's it. Yeah, see, Jack?
Yeah, man. That's not the know, man. Yeah. What? Leave him now.
So I live down here.
Bring food for you.
See next one there.
Bring food for you. Bring food for you. Bring food for you.
You know some food I got here? Look for them papaya. Them papaya pretty.
Chums, all this in there. There, so. I'm sure so.
Pull it up. Stop.
Chris, I can't put on that one and I'll throw some more to the field.
Put on. Monday. You say one stop playing fine. I feel about this.
Alright?
Yeah, one man can come
Look up, I'm a rebellion, you know?
Yes, sir. I mean, man, you have love for them same way too.
Yeah.
No feelings in a bro.
Of course. So the same thing, they have to learn to share. So this is for the next bag them down, you know? White nose and the crew. Alright now, yeah? Alright, Chris. Now show some on there already today.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, I need to take step on my cousin. Leave her now. Hey, look like she breed, so.
She breed, man.
She breed.
A young girl.
She's pregnant. See, she's pregnant.
Yeah.
Season now. Alright then, Chris. Just let me know where I'm going, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Come.
Yeah, come on.
I wouldn't shit on like.
No, when we come back, come to me, no. They are telling people.
High five. High five. High five. High five. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Paw, paw, paw. Give me a paw. Give me a paw.
Sensible.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Now we're thing them here.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah. one she will follow, she not follow, you know.
No, go follow nobody.
Yeah. Bye. She not coming for that, let us see. Bye bye. What's up, chunks? Give me a paw. Give me a paw. High five. High five. High five. High five.
What?
High five. High five. High five. I am it. High five. High five. High five. High five. Oh. Yeah, high five. High five. High five. I'm going now, okay? Alright. See you later. Choose, wrong way.
You know, say, you have to watch where we are going. We never call them back in the wrong way. I like it. If you follow the step and come back, you remember where you are going. I still remember where you come up here. I mean, I got the wrong way. I want to see you. Come to me. Find that sister and the neck of our king. Come on, no, no.
Yeah.
Oh. You know what's the last night? Didn't you ask you? And I asked you to come somewhere, yeah. Say, yeah, you. Then if you come to them, you can't tell them to come from the yard. Then say, inside. In. My God. Mommy.
Look, man.
Eh?
Nana.
Them gone out there?
Yeah.
Hey. I mean, Esther gone too with them?
No, she gone down with people.
Funny choice. Alright then later, you come go meet them and free and give them it.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
mama,
we're
give
not
up
far.
yourself.
Alright, safe journey.
Bye bye, Tara. Tara said we can go.
Tara. Ate Tara.
My God.
Watch your slide, chunks.
Wait up.
Brakes and drum. Heel slide. Look at that. Brown. Up in the hills when the rain start fall. I'm telling you.
Come, baby. She said, no. She said, she go up there, sir. And go.
Go on.
So she said she never hear you. She said, it's a daily job. You know, see them trim you, come on? Them trim them.
So guys, so we have a donation for Little Man. You know, Little Man is at home. So we're gonna walk to his house.
Come on, now go keep it.
Because we got allowed outside. So we're gonna give him this donation. No, because it's raining, so you know, so we never expect him for him to come out anyway because it's raining. Look, man in there. Oh, at the wrong yard, mother.
Daddy, for what and ask me. You know, yes, wrong people here.
Wrong yard.
Nah, you look at my yard, right?
Okay, so
Remember, I want to show you. Always remember. Come on. Where better then?
little one.
Yeah, she won't more that time. And sister that one there. Look, man.
Evening. Come on, good man. Come look, man. I have $3,000 for you, right? So you know, not twin. So I got share it for you and your sister. Alright? So this is $3,000 from Dwayne from Washington. Right? $3,000 for you from Dwayne from Washington.
Thank you,
Dwayne.
Dwayne from Washington.
Look at me.
Thank you, Dwayne from Washington.
Alright. So you can share it with your sister, okay?
Yes.
So them are twin, you know.
Yeah, see him? Nobody not believe him, you know.
Ah. Alright then, look, man. Big up. Aye.
Respect on yourself.
Nana. High five. So. The camera. Alright then, bye bye, right? Later.
Whatever one time.
Yeah.
Everybody nice.
You know what it's for kilo there.
Boom! Boom!
Stop.
Whoa! Nah, you hear me? Why? River come right down. Ready? Which one now? Let's go. Anyway, una walk. Eh? But Tyra go Tyra show off.
Now come back, Tara, man. Now come back.
One Tyra act shy. Bye bye, Tyra.
Yeah, Tara. Next time.
Bye bye, Tyra. Yeah. Tara show off. Tara ball when me are going. And when me up there, she not come to me. So just because me are going on shot ball. Bye bye. Later, Toko. River town, right down. Guys, imagine them say, as a charger say, talk of them father say, usually when the river could normally come down heavy, it cover all of these stones, everything get covered. So whenever we come here, we have to always look that direction. That that's where it's coming from. But this is the sign when the river is coming down. When the water is this brown. So you have to get out of town.
Yeah. There you come, yeah.
Yeah, look like fire in there.
Alright, so the rain ease up now. Huh? Yeah, look at this. Oh, you discover now. What? You discover it, yes?
Yeah.
Look how far away it is.
Can I stick and hook it and dry it out? See, make a discovery. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Big discovery. It's not a discovery channel.
Rain ease.
Bring a picker.
Oh, what does it look so like them scanty? Yeah, man, take it up.
Eh? No, that mommy.
See that bunch of that's a chunks? Ah, you just over there, sir. See them?
So, after we play, I never come back.
You see them? You just want to hook that limb, hook the limb.
Yeah. How much?
Well, not just them and them skill. Come again now, you don't catch. You just grab that bunch up there, so man. Let me drop them, I go wash off. Just grab the limb chunks. Yeah. You know, wash. You see that limb there, so? Yeah. That could have broke off like a grape bunch.
Yeah, so.
Even there, so? See that, so? Like a grape bunch.
Ready?
Yeah. Big time. Take that from me. Yeah,
I mean, all my air and I can't stick. I saw not to go do it, man.
Some black one here, so really, man.
Yeah. I want to pick them up to
Pull them one pocket.
we need some big one here. You can take the big one.
come to big one.
Let me get hook.
Take them up, wash them off, and blend them up.
Some big fat first one you can
Stand up on the wall.
Oh, she have it on a pole.
Too much in my cage.
Yes, boom. Yes, boom.
Make them me care for yourself?
Eh?
Help me care for yourself?
Yeah. Make them know say you play cricket, boom.
Took out to my wife. No, the black one, the one there.
So now you have the key.
No, I never take it. I'm never. I'm the drum.
Take them up, man. Take them up. Take them up.
Take them up.
I'll blend them, I'll go blend them.
Blow off on the edge, man.
It's funny. Because of that bone chicken.
Hey, so look in your bag, if you, in your back you're saying a bag. Take them up, man. Your mouth full. Your mouth full, him can't talk. I mean, him so like when the cat, I get the food, I was like, hey, the black one that, you know.
Comprei a bomba. Já vai ver só.
The blacker ones are the sweeter ones. Keep there.
Man.
Era one and one. Like that.
Now let's pull it, catch it.
One try the one to try to catch it. Catch him one.
You know where a grip one thing.
Catch that. Yeah. So drop the catch. Out. How is that? Referee, umpire. How is that? It is out. Hedge it to slip. Catch again. How is that? Him drop it. Drop the catch.
Sharp long.
Great bunch. They earn it. Hey, still drop. The great ones there. By yourself.
Boom. Great bun.
Whoa, can't talk, your mouth full. Next one. I can pull that one there, so I can pull it.
I'm not there for blend, man. Nobody eat. My blend up already.
And then mouth.
Them sweet though.
Wow.
The black one. Well, call it there. Everything get picked up, you know.
A whole bunch, man. Can fit one them now.
Oh.
That bunch over there, so. See there.
Yeah.
Young them, yeah.
Black one, them sweet, man.
Behind it. Use the hat where you have on chunks. How long if you use the hat? Exactly. I'm still a drop the catch. You're young. You got a young one there, man. Over.
Yeah, man. You see me? That will put you back on the top.
Boom, I prefer there. So I go and see there.
No fruits, you know, natural. Pick off a tree and just eat. Now then dirt upon it, I just see them.
Freshly picked. Freshly picked.
And it's gonna freshly juice. Freshly pick, freshly juice.
American apple can I say then, you know?
Yes,
No
sir.
time.
American apple is natural.
Them wax it.
Yeah, them, yeah.
To give it shelf life. You can't be tired for a week and you don't swear.
Next time we 4 eat or 2 more apple again.
So right now we're gonna get apple and pineapple. Apple pineapple juice. But them man have blend it out in them mouth already. Watch them on them.
You better know.
Remember juice them Esther, just know
You don't want them, you know, them eat out, them share.
Just don't say anything.
Album.
No more.
Listen.
No,
No,
when
not eat now, when
when
it
it
drop.
drop, it's damaged.
But now watch no face Esther, so when it make,
Final one this
just
night.
remember, you see who eat.
Final one.
Don't get pinch already.
Yeah. Body get them share.
What we get them get the
I'm up there too sweet, you know, man.
Yeah. I'm glad them get them share already. So anything we blend, if it's a teacup, a man I forget, he might get the teacup. You know? A man can't ball.
them say what? Mindful fast. Apple gonna come.
10 bag of run up and down. But them don't want to go in or something.
We'll put them back, you know.
Come on, a woman, what's your name? How my boy, man, get some.
Yeah, get one bag. I'm sure you will see now.
Gonna beat beef also for a bag.
Yeah, see.
No baby come on the road a fall down. Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's good there, sir.
Yeah, make it run away now.
Alright. I ate that, so guys, so we're gonna get some apple and pineapple juice.
We look at cherry.
Apple and pineapple with a bit of cherry.
That's so cherry.
You know, not
I
many
look at tips.
of cherry, oh good.
But we're not talking about that one day, you get Sunday. You get Sunday dinner. Boom, come in back like juice.
No tell nobody nothing, come for one the private.
Private. The man call.
Yeah, they must say nothing
Early
down.
Sunday morning.
Yeah. So when them get the jackfruit, I private him out come feed.
Private.
No, nobody know.
A bun.
No, nobody know about that one day.
And then when him get himself banana bun left.
Man, lock the gate now, because we're gone.
In drive out.
Oh, them driver.
Be like this. The circumstances.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.